All right, guys. So really quickly, I just wanted to go over the distributive property, and then in just a second, we're going to look at something called combining like terms. So you've been seeing distributive property since about sixth grade, maybe even earlier than that. But basically, what it means is that you are multiplying a number times a group of information. So the stuff that's inside the parentheses. So in this example, this first way of doing it, we're going to multiply 6 times x plus 2. So we're not just going to multiply it times 6 times x, we're going to also multiply 6 times 2. So I'm going to show you by drawing little arrows. So I'm going to multiply 6 times my first term in here inside the parentheses. So 6 times x, and that becomes 6x. And then, but I'm also going to multiply 6 times 2. You see that? So 6 times positive 2, so that's positive 12, okay? And then I still have this plus 4 in my expression here. So what I'm going to do is just add it on. I'm just going to bring it down, okay? But really what's happening with the distributive property here is you're just multiplying your number on the outside of your group times anything inside your grouping symbols, inside your parentheses. So I have 6 times x, which is 6x, and 6 times 2, which is 12. And then what I can do is I can put these together, which is combining like terms. So in this expression, the terms that are alike are 12 and 4. They're constants. So notice that there are no variables with them. They're just regular numbers. So I can just add them together. So I have my 6x, and then I have 12 plus 4, which is 16. So just plus 16. Okay, and where I got that from, I added 12, positive 12, and positive 4 together, and it gave me 16. And so there's my new expression, all right? And then the second way of doing it here is you can think about it differently. It's a little slower to do it this way, but we can still do it. We have two groups of 2x minus 3. So we have two groups of 2x minus 3, and I'm going to do these in different colors so you can kind of see what's going on. So I'm going to have my first group. So I have 2x, right? And then I have minus 3. So 2x minus 3. So that's 1, same thing. And then I have it again, though. I have it again. Watch, look at this. I have another 2x minus 3. Okay? I have two groups coming from this 2 right here. I have 1 and I have 2. And I'm just going to add those together. Right? I just add them together. I got 2 of them. Let's add them together. So now the reason I made these different or the same colors because I wanted to also show you how to combine like terms. So since I have 2x right here and I also have 2x right here. Now that means I can put these together. I can combine them because they both have an x term. They both have an x variable in the term. Okay. So this could have been 3x, 4x, whatever it is. Since it has the x and this one has the x, we can put them together. Now, if this was a y, we could not combine them. They have to have the same variable together to be able to be combined, okay? So I have 2x and 2x, and I'll change that to green. So I have 2x plus 2x, right? I have 2x plus 2x. If you want to think about this as a positive 2x, that's fine. And this is a positive 2x. You could do that. Or you could just say 2x plus 2x. So you have 2x plus 2x, and I'll show where those are coming from over to here. That's 4x, right? 2 plus 2, so we have 4x. And then we have negative 3 minus 3. So I'm already at negative 3, and I take away 3 more. So I'm in debt by $3, and you take $3 more away from me. How much money do I have left? I got negative $6. I'm in debt by $6, okay? I'm negative, and I'm even more negative. So I'm negative 6, all right? And that came from these negative 3's, okay? So that's how we group like terms or combine like terms, and that's how we can do the distributive property. So you could do it either way. You can either see this as two groups of what's inside the parentheses, and then write it all out, or you can just say, hey, you know what? I have a number out here. I'm going to multiply it times both numbers that are inside my parentheses. Okay? Thanks, guys.